In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align and arrange designs in Canva with rulers, guides, and grids. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Once you're in, open the design you want to work on. If you're starting from a blank canvas, that's great too. Everything we're about to do works the same way on any project. To make precise alignment effortless, let's turn on the built-in tools. Go to the File menu in the top left corner and open Settings. Enable Show Rulers so you'll see measurement bars along the top and left edges of your canvas. Then, enable Show Guides. With guides turned on, you can click and drag straight from the rulers onto your canvas to create horizontal or vertical lines. These guides are visual helpers that won't appear in your final download, but they'll make it easy to line up elements and keep margins consistent. Next, we'll add structure using grids. Open the Elements panel and search for Grid. You'll see a variety of layouts. Pick the one that matches the number of rows or columns you need. Drag your chosen grid onto the canvas and resize it by pulling the corners or edges. Grids act like containers, so they're perfect for building neat columns, rows, or galleries without guessing spacing. Now, place your content into the grid. Drag images, text, or shapes into each cell, and Canva will snap them into place automatically. Images will fill the cell. If you want to adjust the crop or focal point, just double-click the image and reposition it within the frame. Text and shapes also align to the cell boundaries, giving you a consistent look across your layout. For more precision, use your guides alongside the grid. Drag guides to mark equal margins, align the edges of columns, or define spacing between rows. This is especially useful if you're mixing grid cells with standalone elements. Zooming in can help you see the guide alignment more clearly and ensure everything is perfectly lined up. When you're happy with the arrangement, take a moment to preview your design. Zoom out to see the overall balance and make sure edges, headlines, and images feel cohesive. Finally, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Select your preferred file type and confirm your settings to export a clean, polished version of your design. That's it. Rulers and guides for accuracy, grids for structure, and a quick preview before you download. Follow these steps, and your layouts will look sharp, consistent, and professional every time.